Hello and welcome back in the Gourmet Gambit. Today we're not going to do a recipe, we're going to do a short video of how to prepare your clay pots for cooking. They also say curing a clay pot. I'm Wes, let's get started. We're going to leave our tagine for one night in cold water. Once your clay pot or your tagine has soaked overnight in cold water, let them air dry 2 to 3 hours, and once they're dried we're going to give them a good coating for a few times with olive oil. You can be generous with this because it has to absorb a lot of oil, and of course we do the outside and the inside. You see, I'm very generous with the oil. Same for the lid, inside and outside. I'm going to leave this an hour and we're going to do this a second time. And we're going to put our clay pot or the tagine in a cold oven, then put the temperature on 160 degrees Celsius and leave it at that temperature for 1 hour. Then push the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius and let your tagine in the oven for another hour. Don't expose the clay pot on direct heat. Always use something underneath to avoid thermal shock. Another little tip is I never use more than medium heat for these clay pots. Here are some links of how I'm cooking with these clay pots. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you back soon.